Hi again, SJ here. I'm still at home like most of you. I've settled into some new routines and trying to make do as best as I can. I'm going to share a few tips on making the most of the quarantine time as it can seem endless, especially for me since I haven't learned how to tell time yet. Though I'm 6 years old in human years, so it's probably about time. I probably shouldn't rely on having to have Alexa tell me the time. Here's one idea. Find a new project or activity to do, especially one that excites you. I am working on learning to ride my human brother's bike. So far, I've worked up towards putting the helmet on. Another idea. Identify one thing that you should or need to do at home that you've continued to put off. I've been wanting to organize my costume collection. There's Rex from my Toy Story Halloween costume last year, my Colonial hat from my Colonial Williamsburg vacation a few years ago, and my Cookie Monster costume from Halloween the year before. I would like to organize them in one place and hide them so I don't get coerced into dressing up whenever my family feels like I should. The third thing that can be helpful, learn to cook or cook better and enjoy meals as a family. I tried baking bread a few weeks ago. I tried to help with the stirring. I really wanted to eat the sugar. Even though it was hard waiting for the final product, it was delicious at the end. Being at home indefinitely can be tough, but finding a new project to do for fun, one task that needs or should be completed, and learning to cook or cook more things are 3 ways to make the time better. I like to call this approach the quarantine sandwich, with the most important thing being the middle item. Speaking of sandwiches, all of this talking is making me hungry. What's for lunch?